killer deals. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos. That's the way YouTubers supply for my subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Yes, a lot of Milwaukee's. You guys look down here. We got the combo kit with the hammer drill, 2 batteries. You get a free battery, $349. Here's an M12 fuel with the ratchet, $269, and the M12 fuel with the installation driver, $329. And then you got the M18 fuel with the reciprocating saw, $349. Reciprocating saw, I believe it's just the older one. Same thing with these. These are the older tools you're getting for free with this hammer drill. You got the hammer drill and impact driver, big battery, small battery, $199. This one's pretty good too. These are older tools. Just keep that in mind. Most of these are brushed tools. The only I believe this is even brushed too. So $289 for this one. This one does include the bandsaw, the reciprocating saw. It looks like the drill, impact driver, oscillating tool, flashlight, 2 batteries, $369. Now this one's pretty good. This one includes the rocket light. You got the impact wrench, the inflator, and a tool set here, socket set, $289. That's pretty good. All right, you got this one. This one's drill driver, impact driver, $115. Obviously brush tools. You got the impact driver, $249 with the free reciprocating saw, and same thing with this one, circular saw, $249. Now this one's pretty decent. Not the best. It says from $300 down to $219, 27% off. So you're getting the fan, you're getting the radio, and you're getting the light, plus the Ryobi Link box. So not too bad. This one's pretty good. You're getting the router and the sander, $79. They got the fan and the Bluetooth speaker, $99. This one's pretty good. Basically $100 a piece, $100 and something a piece, $115. It looks like you get the 1/2 inch high torque, and then the mid torque for $229. That's pretty good. You got the cordless drill driver, impact driver, ratchet. Combo kit, $218. These are brush tools. Just keep that in mind. No field tools there. Alright, you got the fuel saw, and then you get a light. You got 2 high output batteries, a 5 volt, a 5 amp hour battery, $489. You got a jigsaw here with 2 sixes. It looks like 2 sixes. $479. You got the hammer drill by itself, M12 fuel hammer drill, $129. You got the hammer drill, the brushless hammer drill, not the fuel, $149. You got the, what is this, die grinder, Rotary Toolkit, $79. You got the angle grinder and the light. You get 3 big batteries, or 3 sixes, I believe. Let me just double check for you guys. Yeah, it looks like 3 sixes. Yep, 3 sixes. $529 for that. So you got the angle grinder, this is the 4.5 to 6, $159. You got the 4-bolt cordless screwdriver, $99. Got the drill driver with 2 sixes and 2 smaller batteries, $299. So they're just telling you the batteries on this one. The drill, not so much. It's not worth as much. You got the hammer drill, $239 with 3 5s and the hard case. You got the rocket light and the oscillating tool, $299. Not so good. Let's see here. This one's what is this? Multi-tool kit with compact battery, $179. You got the light in the multi-tool, oscillating tool, 289. You got the LED sight lights and the multi-tool, 329. Got the multi-tool and 2 big batteries. This is M18 fuel, 409. You got the, looks like a caulk gun, adhesive gun, 219. You got the drain snake cleaner, auger tool, 379. Looks like the stubby, 3/8, 259. This price is a little higher because of the batteries. They're putting in the batteries, so that's what makes it 2569. With this one, you're able to hack it. You were able to hack it, especially with those new deals come up. I would just definitely wait on something like this unless you really need the batteries. But still, that's a lot of money. Got the stubby there, $2.99 with the socket set. I think it's a little bit too much. Well, you're getting 30% off, but all right. You got the reciprocating saw here, the Ryobi reciprocating saw kit with the battery, HP battery, 169. You got the circular saw 7 1/4, 159. You got the jigsaw, 129. A jigsaw kit. Got the oscillating toolkit here, 149. You got the dual action polisher, 129. And you got the detail polisher, 129. You got the octane 4.5 angle grinder, 139. You got the oscillating tool, 129. All right, you got 4 batteries, so 150, so $75 a piece. That's not bad. That's not bad for these. Yeah, that's actually pretty good. 38% off. Yeah, it's definitely good. So it's around $75 a piece, or 70, maybe $80. So that's pretty good on that. You got the Big Hog Carbide whole kit, whole saw kit, $139. You got the backpack, $169. You got the 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch SAE metric ratchet socket sets, $3.99. Now this one's pretty good. This one's worth it. Well, unless you want to buy it with a different brand, but yeah, if you want to get everything Milwaukee, this one's probably your best bet instead of buying these smaller ones. Well, not this. This one's pretty good because it includes a lot. But there's some smaller ones. This one's actually worth it because it includes pretty much a lot. You got a Shockwave Impact Duty steel driver bit set pack out case, $49. Get the screwdriver 10-piece, $27.97. Get the 10-piece 100-bolt insulated screwdriver set, $109. All right, this one's pretty good. This one's the Diamond Max hole saw set, 5-piece, $34. Got the hole dozer general purpose, $154, and the oscillating tool multi-tool kit, 14-piece, $49. Got adjustable electrician works belt, $69. This is a nice knife. A little pricey, but so you got a AAU steel fixed blade knife, $54.97. Underhood light there, $189. Let's see, high speed annular cutter kit, $239. You got those fastbacks, a pack of 2, $19.97. Let's see what else they got here. Anything that's good. This one's pretty good. This one's the Wrecker saw metal cutting blade. Plus you're getting the ink saw and you're getting the Wrecker blade, $19.97. All right. Getting a lot of batteries here, $409. I would have to do the math on that. But doesn't look like it's a crazy deal, but let's see what else. Yeah, that's it. Guys, mostly Milwaukee. I would say mostly Milwaukee deals are like these battery deals are pretty good. So if you cut it in half, it's $150. And if you cut that in half by 4, so it's around $75. So that's a pretty good deal. on those. And some of these are okay. Like the one with the rocket light was good. No, this was pretty good deal. So guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.